So today I'll be talking about a perfectly competitive resource market, like a firm. So there's two graphs. There is the market and the firm. So on the market graph, and in both the market and the firm, so on your y-axis is the wage, your x-axis is quantity, wage, quantity. So on your market, you're going to draw, you have your regular supply and demand curve. So the supply is the supply for labor, so it's the amount of people that are willing and able to work. And the demand curve is the demand, or how much labor the company or firm wants or needs to hire. So the equilibrium is right here. So this determines the wage and the quantity of workers that will be hired. So in the firm, you want to, so this is how you find the wage, or the marginal resource cost, marginal resource cost right here. Marginal resource cost is the additional cost of hiring an additional worker, or this is also the supply, MRC, and then you got your demand curve, or your marginal revenue product. Let me draw that better. Demand, you want MRP. So marginal revenue product is the additional revenue generated by an additional worker. So yeah, so for each worker you hire, it's the amount of money you'll get more. So let's say this wage at equilibrium is like $10, and the wage over here is like 40. So firms will keep on hiring and paying people until MRC is equal to MRP. So they will have to hire until then. After that, they'll stop. So until this point, that'll be the quantity of what they'll hire. So the amount of people they hire for $40 will be less than the guys they will hire for like 10, since the supply is the supply of workers are really high for a higher wage, but they're lower for a lower wage. You can see in the market graph. So, for example, if there is a dentist, that's a very very hard job. The supply is low, but the demand is high. So that's why they make a lot of money. While someone at McDonald's, they don't make as much money. So the demand is low, but the supply is high, since it doesn't have many qualifications. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.